So today I am making you write an essay on Diwali. So this is the essay. Please you keep on writing. Write the heading essay. Write the heading Diwali, and you do keep on writing fast. Write the heading Diwali, and you keep on writing. स्क्रीन से देख के तुम लोग लिखते जाओ फटाफट. जो भी देर से ज्वाइन कर रहा है, आई एम नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर इट. Keep on writing. I'm reading out for you. Diwali is one of the most popular festivals of Hindus, which is celebrated with great fervor and delight. Kids have a great time when they are asked to write an essay on Diwali, as they get an opportunity to share their joyful experience about the festival. Youngsters usually love this festival as it brings a lot of happiness and delightful moments for everyone. They get to meet their family, friends, and relatives and share greetings and gifts with their loved ones. यहाँ तक लिखो, अभी उसके बाद मैं आर दूंगा. Keep on writing fast. Keep on writing, keep on writing. Keep on writing Diwali fast. If you finish it, then I will change it. It's very long, okay? It's very long essay. So you please write fast. Who are the late joiners? जिसने लेट से ज्वाइन किया है, वो फटाफट हेडिंग लिखो दिवाली. Write the heading Diwali and then write, Diwali is one of the most popular festivals of Hindus, which is celebrated with great fervor and delight. Kids have a great time when they are asked to write an essay on Diwali, as they get an opportunity to share their joyful experiences about the festival. जल्दी हाथ चलाओ, आप सभी जल्दी हाथ चलाइए, जल्दी जल्दी लिखो. Youngsters usually love this festival as it brings a lot of happiness and delightful moments for everyone. They get to meet their family, friends, and relatives and share greetings and gifts with their loved ones. Fast, fast. Right. After 1 minute, I will remove this page and bring another contents. अब मैं ऊपर जा रहा हूँ. Write this also. Fast, fast, write fast. Fast. जल्दी हाथ चलाओ, स्पीड में लिखो. Write it down. Make your writing beautiful. I am reading out the next para also for you. An essay on Diwali in English helps kids to express their views and convey their feelings about the essence of the auspicious festival. Little ones can check the essay on Diwali festival given below and try, please ये वाला line मत लिखो. Don't write this, okay? They get to meet their family, friends and relatives and share their greetings and gifts with their loved ones. उसके बाद चालू कर दो दिवाली, also popularly known as दीपावली. यहाँ से चालू कर दो, fast. Fast, fast. Write down fast. This essay is very long. I'm reading out the next paragraph also for you. Diwali, also popularly known as Deepavali, is one of the most auspicious festivals of Hindus residing in India or across the globe. The festival is celebrated with great fervor and enthusiasm by people throughout the world. Although it is considered a Hindu festival, but people from different communities celebrate the bright festival by bursting crackers and fireworks. Fast, fast. In 1 minute, I will remove the page. Who are late joiners, write the heading Diwali and write this essay fast. Fast. If you are done, then I'm removing the first para. ये फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ हो गया है जिसको मैंने ड्रैग किया ब्लू से. आई होप यहां तक हो चुका होगा. आई एम रिमूविंग दिस. फास्ट फास्ट राइट. I am reading out the third paragraph for you. According the third paragraph I'm reading out for you. According to Hindus, Diwali is a festival which commemorates the return of Lord Ram to Ayodhya along with his wife Sita, brother Lakshman, and ardent devotee Hanuman after defeating the demon king Ravan. This religious festival signifies the victory of good over evil and the triumph of light over darkness. ये पहला फर्स्ट 2 पैराग्राफ था. जिसका भी छूट चुका है पहले लिखना, यहाँ से देख के लिख लो. ये पहला 2 पैराग्राफ था. और ये थर्ड पैराग्राफ है. Write down fast. हो गया. कर लीजिए. Finished. I think whoever have not finished, I am giving all of you this essay in your WhatsApp. मुझे पता है इतना लंबा ऐसे आप नहीं फिनिश कर पाएंगे यहाँ, इसीलिए मैं आप सभी को WhatsApp में दे रहा हूँ आपके. In the help desk I am giving. See it from help desk. Okay.